I have seen my friends actually getting their desired score by themselves. So it motivated me to try by myself. But yeah, after like 1, 2, 3, 4th attempt and all the way to 10th attempt, started by myself. But I wasn't aware of my weaknesses. At least lost like 10, 15,000. It's not for everyone. Took the Pearson official mock test before when I was doing it by myself. I was always getting like 70, 75 was the highest. After coming to VLE, practicing all this time, then I was sure like, okay, it's time to go for the exam and kill it. Right.
Eleven attempts,
Yes.
and the final attempt with VLE.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to know your story. How did you manage to get the 8 each this time? Just first attempt with VLE, isn't it?
So I have seen my friends actually getting their desired score by themselves. So it motivated me to try by myself. But yeah, after like 1, 2, 3, 4th attempt and all the way to 10th attempt, I actually started by myself. But I wasn't aware of my weaknesses. I was very adamant that, okay, I'm gonna try by myself and I'm gonna get it. So yeah, I think it's not for everyone, to be honest. If you're really skilled or your English is really good, I think you might get it and might not. Just I'd say not to take the risk. So yeah, after my 10th attempt, I was like, okay, it's enough is enough. I need to get like professional help. Then I have gotten like a lot of good reviews from about VLE from my friends from internet. So yeah, then I came to VLE, joined VLE, like practice for like 1 month, 1.5 months, and then after that I took my test and yeah, it was a successful 11th attempt.
11 attempt bugs. The first with VLE.
First with VLE, obviously, yeah, first with VLE.
What do you think? What changed?
Okay, so after coming to VLE, I actually got to know what my weaknesses are, where I was lacking before. Before that, I wasn't aware of my lackings. So I was just doing the same mistake again and again and again. So after coming to VLE, I was guided by all the teachers like Chetna ma'am, Sarga ma'am, Arshia ma'am, even you. So they actually pointed out what's my weaknesses are. So I worked on that, and yeah, I just worked on that and improved myself, and that's what I did in the exam hall. Yeah.
And did you feel that you were progressing, you were improving while you were studying?
Yeah, obviously. I'll say something like I took the Pearson official mock test before when I was doing it by myself. I was always getting like 70, somewhere around 75. 75 was the highest. So after coming to VLE, after like practicing all this time, when I took the first Pearson test, I actually got like 8 each. That's when I got to know, okay, yeah, I improved. I actually improved. So then again, second time when I did took the test, that's when I also got like 8 each.
Yes.
Then I was sure like, okay, it's time to go for the exam and kill it.
Right. Yeah. And you killed it, huh?
I killed it. I killed it. Obviously, I killed it.
What do you have to say to them, to the students who have been practicing a lot themselves, right? Just like you were doing, right? What do you have to tell to them who are giving attempt after attempt after attempt? What do you have to say to them?
Yeah, I would say don't take the risk. It's not worth it, to be honest, because you are losing your money, just like me. I at least lost like 10, 15,000, like for sure. So I don't take the risk, take professional help, even if it costs a lot. It actually doesn't cost a lot, to be honest, compared to what how much money you have lost before, like
just giving attempts.
So I'd say take professional help. You will actually know what are your weaknesses, where you have to work on, and then then you will be ready to take the exam after like 1 month, even after 2 weeks, maybe, if you're confident after taking the Pearson official mock test.
Right. Yeah. Right. No, I'm really happy for you. I think you are very right that if you're losing the marks, you should definitely seek guidance.
Yeah.
Where you can get that help, where you can get someone to look after you, to pinpoint the areas, and especially, as you said, to find out the weaknesses.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
How was the environment overall? What do you have to say?
Oh, the environment was really good. What I was saying you before, like when I took the speaking, when it was the time for speaking, I actually didn't realize that in the exam hall, I didn't actually realize that other people were speaking as well. Um, that's because all the time I was practicing speaking here when other people was also speaking with me. So what happened is I zoned out myself, and that's how like I realized, okay, no one is distracting me. So yeah, I actually went 19 speaking because of that.
Yeah.
Because I just
You were very used to that, man.
exactly.
So every day you used to do the same thing over and over, and in the real exam, it was just like a normal day.
Exactly. I was very confident, sir. When before that, when I was doing speaking, I was speaking really fast, either really slow.
Yes.
And I wasn't taking any pauses, anything. I was like, okay, I just go and speak.
Yeah, I remember once when I checked your speaking, it was very fast.
Very fast, yeah. And when you take pauses, you actually also get your like you have your breath. You don't like go out of breath.
Yes.
So it's really smooth. So that's what I learned from VLE and all the teachers.
Right. Any final tips from your journey? 11 times. That experience, I think, is very valuable. Any experience, I will say, any tip from your side to go through?
First of all, obviously take professional help. Then after you start taking a professional help, be very like regular to the session, and work on the feedback you get from your teachers. And obviously if there is any like how to say, like if you have any confusion, ask your teachers. They're always there to help you.
Correct.
Yeah. And yeah, be very regular. Consistency. Yeah.
Amazing. Congratulations. And I'm really happy for you. All the very best to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.